I know a lot of people who never launch anything because they can't launch it until it's perfect. I want to ask you a question. Perfect in whose eye? The state of perfection is not attainable. Don't strive for perfection, strive for excellence. Excellence is going the extra mile, one step at a time, treating every step as an experiment. Let me say this. There are hundreds and hundreds of obstacles between you and your goal. Therefore, they are not a reflection. They are not even a tip of the number of obstacles out there. I suggest this. Analyze in advance, manage them as much as you can, but I give you a caution. There are many obstacles along the way that you can never predict. I call them unfamiliar giants. They will show up as you begin to implement. What is critical for you is to stay the course. Don't quit because of these blocks. Deal with these obstacles, but keep moving. Keep moving. Don't quit.